Welcome to Best Choice. The best Vornado Air Purifier is probably one of the most essential appliances for maintaining a healthy and comfortable living environment, especially when it comes to ensuring the air you breathe indoors is clean and free from allergens, pollutants, and odors. However, like any high-performing device, its effectiveness hinges on regular maintenance, and a crucial part of that is timely filter replacement. This video will guide you through the simple yet vital process of swapping out your old Vornado Air Purifier filter for a new one, ensuring your unit continues to operate at peak efficiency and keeps your home's air pristine. Number 5. Vornado MD1-0023 Replacement Carbon Filters, 2-pack. Ensure your Vornado Air Purifier is working at its best with genuine replacement carbon filters. This pack includes 2 filters designed specifically for optimal performance. These filters are designed to perfectly fit Vornado Air Purifier models AC300, AC350, AC500, and AC550. Get the right fit for your device. Effectively capture unwanted odors and large airborne particles. This helps to maintain cleaner air and prolong the life of your HEPA filters. Forget about cleaning your filters. These disposable carbon filters are designed for convenience and require no maintenance. Replacing the filters is a breeze. No tools are needed, making the process quick and effortless to keep your air purifier running smoothly. What we like. This pack comes with 2 genuine Vornado carbon filters, perfect for capturing odors and larger particles. If you're looking to extend the life of your HEPA filters and easily tackle common household smells, this is a great choice for your Vornado AC300, AC350, AC500, or AC550. What people say. The Vornado Air Purifier filter replacement is a genuine Vornado part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance for your Vornado Air Purifier. This filter is designed to capture 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke, providing cleaner and healthier air for your home. The Vornado filter features an activated carbon layer that effectively neutralizes odors from pets, cooking, and smoke, leaving your air smelling fresh. Number 4. Vornado MD1-0022 Air Purifier Filter. Ensure optimal performance with this genuine Vornado True HEPA filter. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Vornado Air Purifier. This filter is compatible with a range of Vornado Air Purifier models, including the AC300, AC350, AC500, AC550, PCO200, PCO300, PCO375DC, PCO500, and PCO575DC. Experience cleaner air with its True HEPA technology. It effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. Forget about cleaning. These filters are disposable, offering a convenient and hygienic solution for maintaining your air quality. Replacing the filter is a breeze. No tools are needed, making the process quick and effortless for you. What we like. This single, genuine Vornado True HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles down to 0.3 microns. If you need a reliable replacement for your Vornado Air Purifier, especially if you have pets or allergies, this filter is designed for maximum efficiency and ease of use. What people say. This thing has 3 levels and has made a noticeable difference in the air quality throughout my small apartment. I have asthma and a dust allergy, and with carpet flooring everywhere and living in the city, times were getting tough. With the Vornado, I've had a lot less flare-ups and allergy issues, sneezing, stuffiness, etc. The HEPA filters are good quality and were delivered in a timely manner, much faster than I had anticipated. Number 3. Improvedhand LV H132 Replacement Filter, 2-pack. This replacement filter is designed to be compatible with your Levoit LV H132 air purifier. It's a great alternative to the original part number LV H132 RF. Please double-check your model before purchasing to ensure a perfect match. Our filter features a 3-in-1 system, including a preliminary filter, an H13 True HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. It effectively captures odors from cooking, smoke, and VOCs, ensuring cleaner air. Made with upgraded H13 HEPA material, it captures particles as small as 0.3 microns. This ensures strong purification efficiency, providing high-quality air, especially if you have smokers or live in areas with pollution. This package includes 2 replacement filters, offering excellent value. We recommend replacing your filter every 3 to 6 months, depending on usage, to maintain optimal performance. We are committed to providing a smooth shopping experience. If you encounter any quality or compatibility issues within 90 days, please contact us. We're available 24 hours a day to assist you. What we like. This filter offers a comprehensive 3-in-1 filtration system, including a pre-filter, H13 True HEPA, and activated carbon. If you're dealing with cooking smells, smoke, or other strong odors and want a high-performance solution for your Levoit LV H132, this 2-pack provides excellent value and air purification. What people say. These filters not only were cheaper, but better than what originally came with my purifier. Great quality, made to spec so they fit perfect. Tight seal, tested the HEPA and it filters a fog machine completely. Easy to replace and very affordable. Perfect fit and no smell. This one has lasted forever with no smell even at startup. It's quiet and small enough to put anywhere in the house. Collects dust quickly, but even then you may not have to change more than every 6 months to a year. Number 2. APPLIANCEMATES LV H132 Air Purifier Filter. Ensure your Levoit air purifier is running at its best with filters specifically designed for the LV H132 model. These replacements are made to fit perfectly, so you can breathe easy. Experience superior air quality thanks to our advanced 3-in-1 filtration system. It includes a nylon pre-filter, an H13 True HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter to capture 99.97% of airborne particles. Crafted from premium HEPA 13 material, our filters are built to the highest standards. This design not only ensures effective purification but also minimizes air resistance for improved airflow. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing your filter every 6 months. Swapping out the old filter for a new one is simple and requires no tools, making it easy to maintain clean air. This pack includes 2 replacement filters, offering great value for your money. We're confident you'll love the clean air, and we're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. Featuring a 3-in-1 design with an H13 True HEPA filter, this option is built for powerful and efficient air cleaning. If you prioritize excellent airflow and a high-quality filtration system for your Levoit LV H132, this 2-pack from APPLIANCEMATES offers a great balance of performance and affordability. What people say. They fit my air purifier perfectly, and they last a decent amount of time before needing replacing. The life of these are just like the original. Super easy to install, you just lay it in there. Air quality is great. Filters fit perfect and seem to work well. Number 1. Vornado Cube 50 Air Purifier. Breathe easier with our advanced air purifier. It's designed to capture even the smallest particles for cleaner air in your home. Our True HEPA filter removes 99.97% of airborne pollutants, including allergens and pet dander. Enjoy a healthier environment with every breath. It features a 3-stage filtration process. This includes a pre-filter for larger particles, a HEPA filter for allergens, and a carbon filter for odors. Operating it is effortless thanks to the electronic touchscreen. Easily select from 3 speed settings or use the quick clean mode for rapid purification. Enjoy up to 4,500 hours of runtime with its long-lasting filter. It efficiently cleans rooms up to 100 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms or offices. Its sleek, white design complements any room decor. This purifier is not only functional but also an attractive addition to your living space. What we like. This Vornado Cube 50 Air Purifier unit comes with a True HEPA filter and a 3-stage filtration process for comprehensive air cleaning. If you're looking for a compact, stylish unit for a small bedroom or office that effectively removes allergens, pet dander, and smoke, this purifier is an excellent all-in-one solution. What people say. It has 4 settings, the first is very quiet, then 2, 3 and the high setting is a power clean, which is good if you aren't in the room because it sounds like a jet engine. I'd say settings 1 and 2 are good if you are in the room, and 3 and 4 are good to clear the room when you leave. This air purifier can really exchange the air in a medium-sized room quickly. I usually keep it on level 2 most of the time, but when I need a little extra boost, this thing can perform at that level as well. It has a setting that will quickly clean the air, and she uses it about 30 minutes before she goes to bed, closes her window and door and lets it do its thing. When she's ready for bed, she turns it down and falls asleep to the quiet white noise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.